Hi everyone. So today we are unboxing and testing the PT160 OLED display PET scanner, a handheld PET microchip reader that I bought from AliExpress site for just a little bit over $10. So considering the low price, it will be really interesting to see how well this device performs in real use. In this video, we'll unbox the package, take a closer look at the scanner, and then test whether it can successfully read dog's microchip. So, let's get started. So, let's power up the device first by pressing this small button here, and the scanner starts up really quickly and is now ready to read a microchip. So now it's time for the actual test. We'll try it on the dog and see if this inexpensive scanner can detect and read the microchip correctly. So I'm slowly moving the scanner over the area where the chip is located and waiting for it to pick up the signal. And the microchip was detected very quickly by the scanner, and the ED number appeared on the display almost immediately. And yes, it works. So, the scanner successfully read the microchip, and the ED number shown on the display matches the dog's correct microchip identification number. So, despite costing only a little bit over $10, this PT160 PET microchip scanner appears to do exactly what it was designed to do. I also add a link to this PT160 PET microchip scanner in the video description below if you are interested in buying one. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.